Okay, so when we talk about integers, just like we discussed in class, we're talking about numbers that can be either positive or negative. An example of where you might see this in real life is on a thermometer. So we might say the temperature is plus 30 degrees Celsius, which is very hot, or negative 30 degrees Celsius, which is very cold. So positive, we see looks like this, 30 degrees Celsius, or negative 30 degrees Celsius. They're very different temperatures. Here are some more concrete examples of where we would use integers in real life. These are actually questions from the math assignment you'll be doing next, grade 6, C1, understanding integers on iExcel. So let's look at these examples together. Looking at this first one, it says, which integer represents this scenario? Adding 4 new pages to a scrapbook. So when we're adding 4 new, that'd be a positive 4, so this one here. For this next example, it says, write an integer that represents this scenario, $16 profit. So a profit is positive, so positive 16. That's another real life application I think of integers, is when we talk about being in the red or being in the black. You might have heard of Black Friday. That's when companies are all in profit. If you're in the red, you owe money, or you're in negative, you're in debt. So when we say we're positive 16, we have $16. If I owe someone $5, I'm negative $5, I'm down, I owe it, I'm in the red. Moving on to this third example here, write an integer that represents this scenario, 88 meters below sea level. Obviously below suggests it would be negative 88. And I think that's all you need to get started. As you can see, this one at the bottom, I realize we've already done at the top. Adding new pages would be a positive 4. Good luck.